do it, baby. I don't need these yet. Let's do it, baby. Back from round 2. See all that mess right there? I got 3 of these machines to move today. Actually got 4 machines to move because I dropped off that Traco in Rock Hill. I gotta go get it. I actually wanted to move the grinder first, but I'm gonna move the grinder first. Get the heaviest one out the way first. Grinder and Traco go first. Those will go last because they might come out here and do a little cleanup with this dozer. But he said everything ready to go, but you know how that goes. Like I'm coming out crooked. Oh man, we dragging the log up under there. Watch that tail spin. Let's see when we fix the grinder. Prime example why you gotta keep tools and stuff in your truck. Prime example why hauling lowboy ain't made for everybody. Cause anything could come up. Now, if this was a lowboy load and you picking this up for somebody and it's broke, then you gonna make it their responsibility to see that it's fixed. But this is my main customer. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. I ain't trying to get him to get out of bed and come fix something that I could potentially fix. So I'm climbing under here to see what the situation is. And I see it's something like him. I think. Hold it up. like a video game, baby. Ooh, long way. I'm watching my boards. I'm watching my boards, tracks and the boards. Yeah, man, that broken roll, I thought it was gonna mess my whole little day up. I like to move the grinder first, but I thought they was gonna say, man, just leave it and we'll fix it later. But I was able to get up under there and do what I do. I'm talking like I fixed it, I ain't fixed it. I just sided up in the little slot. Tried to fix it, but didn't work. It's all good. Let's see what we get. Look pretty solid right there. Alright, what I just did was pull my trailer brakes out because I'm kind of on a slight hill and I just loaded this grinder. So once I hook these lines up with the weight of this grinder on that trailer, with my trailer brakes being released, once I hook this arrow up, it's gonna release the brakes off that trailer, and that trailer this whole truck gonna be like a rocket going down that hill. So that's something else you gotta be mindful about. The location and where your truck is sitting at. Hooked up, pin drop, neck up. All right, boys, let's chain it down and ride out. One of my chains that I cut. It's another one that I cut. Let's see how I hold up. Curious. Let's see. Uh-oh. Oh, that done messed up now. That done messed up now. Oh, I got you now. Boy, this security here might be flawless. I ain't lying. I ain't lying. $10, $20, $30. I got another 1/2 inch chain, but I cut it in half. That's one that I cut in half last night, so it won't work for this. I need to order me some more little walk around, bags up, trailers up, chain. All right, so this is gonna be 6,000. These two together, 10,000. So that's 16. This one and that one over there gonna be 26. That one and that one gonna be 36. And I'm counting them like that because this is really a 12,000 pound binder. That's a 12,000 pound binder, but you only get half because you hook the one half of the machine. So it's 6 and some change per binder. But I'm saying 5 just for easy math. So 70,000 pound grinder, we got 36,000 pounds of securement. You ready to go? See that right there? That ain't good. And this is why you do a walk around. This is why you do a walk around. Come on, man. Try to play me, cuz. Appreciate that. Get in there. Man. It's grinding crooked as hell. I don't know what my eyes was looking at, but I loaded this grinder all off. I got 2 boards showing right here, 1 board showing over there. And I don't like it at all. I gotta unchain it. Damn it, man. Alright, man. I had to fix that little hiccup. Fix that little hiccup. Now we're good to go. Got 1 board and a half. Over there you got 1 board and a half. Couldn't go out like that. Couldn't go out like that. Would it have made it to my destination? Possibly. But to take an extra 10 minutes to straighten it out, take an extra 10 minutes to straighten it out versus not knowing 100% whether it's gonna make it or not, I'm gonna take that extra 10 minutes because it not making it gonna be a big deal. A big deal that I don't wanna have to face. Take the hard drive. Yo. Oh boy. This is a crazy morning this morning, boy. I don't know what's going on. Been one event after another. Man, that grinder, it whooped me this morning.
from the roll hanging down to me loading it off sideways. Boy, with me this morning. Had to unchain that thing, drop the trailer, detach, walk it back off, slide it over, walk it back on, reattach, chain it back down. Man, they got me this morning. I ain't lying. I don't know how much more footage y'all gonna get today. For real, for real. I definitely still got 2 more pieces to move today. But I know for sure I'm coming back to get a Traco and taking it back to Pageland today. And I'm coming back to get the dozer, and it's just going right to Chester, so I could drop it off today too. But I might sit on it, might take it to my house and sit on it and drop it off first thing in the morning. I don't know. If the day keep going like the day is going, hell, I might drop this off, go back and get that Traco and sit on that Traco in the morning. This is ridiculous. Well, yeah, man, that's why you always do a walk around after you chain down your piece of equipment. You gotta do that walk around and make sure everything still looks the way it should look. Cause I don't get it. My eyes was playing tricks on me because I totally loaded it completely wrong. I had 2 boards showing on one side, 2 whole boards showing on one side, and 1 board showing on the other side. And it's supposed to be half and half, supposed to be 1.5 boards on each side. And I couldn't let it ride like that. It would have messed up my mind, and my mind would have been running, thinking I'm going around this curve too fast, this thing finna flip off. So, had to do the right thing. You don't really want to take too many risks and play too many games with a 70,000-pound piece of equipment. Because when it starts to go wrong, there's no correcting it. It's gone. And I can't afford the damn grinder. Not even close. I can't afford half of it. I can't afford a track on this grinder. I ain't gonna flex. It's $1 million machine, so I don't want no problems. I done got sleepy, man. That's what he told me to bring it. I don't see no logs, though. Hopefully we're in the right spots. Call and find out. Don't want to put it in the wrong spot and it take them an hour to walk into the right spot. So let's see. Unchained, baby. Yeah, I believe that's all she wrote for the day, boys. I think I'm about to take this one on to the house. Time is 1:38. Been out here since I left the house this morning at 7. I delivered the grinder. They need the Traco and the grinder on the site tomorrow. I already delivered the grinder. So I wake up in the morning, have the Traco there before 7:30. Come back, get the dozer, then go get the other Traco. So I don't have anything planned for tomorrow, so let's go ahead and split it up into 2 different days. Why not? So that's how that's gonna go. It's football Sunday, man. Gotta get home and get in the zone. Sound like something squeaking. But anyway, man, I appreciate you for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel. Got a lot of things coming, a lot of things in progress. But just stay tapped in with me, man. Help me get to what we're trying to get to. And a lot of good things gonna come out of it. I appreciate you for watching. Peace.